Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to unpin a post on Facebook. Whether you're tidying up your profile or refreshing your timeline, unpinning a post is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or name. This will take you to your personal timeline, where all your posts are displayed. Next, locate the pinned post you wish to unpin. Pinned posts are always positioned at the top of your timeline, making them easy to spot. Once you've found the post, look for 3 dots in the upper right corner of the post. Tap on these 3 dots to open a menu of options. From the list that appears, select Unpin Post, and just like that, the post will be removed from its pinned position and returned to its original place in your timeline. That's all it takes. By following these steps, you can easily unpin any post on Facebook and keep your profile organized with fresh content. Thank you for tuning in. If this guide helped you, share it with others or save it for future reference.